Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, I will show you how to remove double underline from text in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Select the text and press the Ctrl U from keyboard, or you can go Home tab and click the underline icon. Just select the text and click the underline icon two times or one time. Select the text and go to the drop down menu of underline and click the single underline. If you want to remove this full underline, just select the whole text and press the Ctrl U from keyboard, or you can click underline icon. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.